Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good. Today we'll talk about Google Digital Bank. Soon you will have a digital account in your mobile phone with the help of which you'll be able to make any transactions digitally. So let's start. Hi, this is Asif and you're watching Let's Online. Digital Bank is a bank where you have a digital account and you don't need to go to the branches and you don't need to keep the passbooks or the checkbooks. What you need to do is just have a mobile and open the app, click sometimes and you have sent money to someone. That's it. So like other digital banks as Paytm, Up, Neat, Doconomy, etc., Google is also going to launch a digital bank in which you will be able to open an account instantly without going to the branch just after the verification of your ID proofs. Google is expanding its plans to offer digital banking services in the US. The company announced today it's partnering with half a dozen more banks to offer digital checking and savings accounts to Google Pay users in the US starting sometime next year. The new partners include Bank Mobile, BBV USA, BMO Harris, Coastal Community Bank, First Independence Bank, and ACFCU. They join Google's existing partners Citi and SFCU announced earlier, for a total of now 8 banks lined up for the project. News of Google's big move into banking and personal finance through an effort known internally as Project Cash was first reported by the Wall Street Journal in November. Much like the mobile banking services offered today by a number of startups, Google will provide consumer-facing front end to the digital banking services it makes available, while the accounts themselves will be held by the FDIC bank's partner institutions. However, unlike with mobile banking startups, which tend to note their banking partners only in the fine print, Google is giving the banks a co-branded experience. In addition, Google explains that by working with a range of partners from large global banks down to smaller credit unions with deep communities, it will be able to do a better job building products that meets its customers' diverse set of needs. Google today operates its digital payment service Google Pay and complementary Google Wallet product to serve its customers' financial needs. But today, more consumers, are particularly younger people, are moving away from brick and mortar banking institutions to instead manage their money online. Apple already tapped into consumer demand for digital banking with the launch of its co-branded Apple Card credit card with Goldman Sachs banks, but it has not yet offered a full banking service, only Apple Cash, a service where you store your cashback credits from Apple Card use, payments from friends, or the cash you transfer in from a connected bank. Google's plans are more extensive. Though it won't host the bank accounts, it will be able to draw on data to offer customers financial insights and other budgeting tools for the partners. The service gives them a way to market their brand to consumers in an increasingly mobile-first, online-only market. The accounts are expected to launch in 2021. Several banks said their in announcements. Google has not provided a more specific time frame for the launch. So guys, we will update you about any development regarding Google Digital Bank. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.